Okay, we're going to move on to our third troubleshooting circuit. Okay, so what this one is, it looks like it's getting even more complicated. And what we have is a control relay, a motor starter, and we have a stop, and then we have our run push button and our jog push button. Okay, so what this circuit is if you go to your lab, week 7 lab, it is this item right here. It's our 2 push button run jog button system that a lot of people had trouble hooking up with because of this second rung right here, number 2, that was split between them, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to try and troubleshoot this. Remember how this works. If I hold down the jog button, I should get the starter right here to come on only while I'm pushing the jog. And when I hit the run button, then the control relay should latch itself on and the motor should stay latched on with memory. So the run brings this on and it stays on. The jog just brings it on temporarily. So we're going to go ahead and check it. I have the circuit energized here. I'll show you. I've got AC voltage right there. And if I touch my fuses right here, I've got 120 VAC. So I've got this circuit on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the run button. Now remember, the run should bring this on and it should stay on. So this is on, the control relay is on, both of these are on, but when I let go of it, they both go off. So once again, when I hit the run, I'm getting the control relay to come on and the motor to come on, but it's not staying on. So the run is bringing both of these on. They're not staying on. It sounds like there's an issue there, okay? And now the jog button should just bring this on momentarily. And it's causing this to rapidly flicker off and on, and this to rapidly flicker off and on. So there's a problem with the jog button as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and troubleshoot it. First thing I'm going to do, once again, is first step is always de-energize the circuit. I just killed the disconnect. And I'm going to pull the fuses so that I isolate it. I'm not going to go and I'm not going to check voltage because I know that I have voltage because my items do work. The coils are getting voltage. They're just not quite getting them like we want them to. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to troubleshoot the circuit using the techniques we learned last time. Now last time we were alternating between resistance and continuity. But if you got the gist of the last video, most of it could have just been figured out by using the continuity to figure out if these contacts were doing what we wanted them to. So I'm not even going to mess with the resistance this time. I'm just going to go right to the contacts, okay? So let's just work the way like we did last time. I'm going to start at the stop button, which is 1 and 3. So if I come over here to a 1 and a 3, I'm getting tone. I'm going to push the button. The tone went away. Okay. I'm going to move on to the next one right here. A run push button, which is between 3 and 4. So I come here to 3 and 4. Right there, I'm on 3 and 4. I'm going to go ahead and push the run button. Okay, I'm getting tone there. Okay, let's just keep working across here. I'm going to check the jog push button right here, which is an open button. So 3 and 5 are the wire numbers there. So I'm going to go on to a 3. I'm going to go on to a 5. And I'm going to push the button. And I'm getting tone when I push it. Okay. I'm going to keep moving along here. I'm going to go to this contact right here that's supposed to be part of holding or something. That's 4 and 5. It's an open contact. I'm going to 4 and 5. And so let's see if I can get on 4 and 5 right here. There's a 4 and a 5. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to activate the control relay. I've pushed it down. I've pushed the control relay down. I've pushed the control relay down. So that is 4 and 5, which is this open contact right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the control another control relay contact, which is 3 and 6. And so that is going to be this contact here, 3 and 6. So I'm going to go to the 3 here and the 6 here. Here's a 3. So there, I'm on a 3 and a 6 right there. Okay, on that contact. And I'm going to go ahead and make the relay. right there. Okay, I'm making the relay 3 and 6 right there. Okay, and I'm just going to check these again one more time, actually on the relay. So I'm going to check 4 and 5, and I'm going to check 3 and 6 up here on the relay. So if I go to the first one here, which was 3 and 6 right there, that's what I've got. If you remember last time we checked it, I'm going to push it. I'm pushing it. Okay, and then I'm going to check up on the relay once again. This one's here. Okay, so I'm right up on the relay here. Okay, and I'm on it, and I'm pushing it. Okay, I'm pushing it right there. You can hear it toning. Okay, that's the other one. Okay, and then we have the motor starter, which is 6 and 5 right here. So I'm going to come to 6 and 5, which is right here. And that's what I have. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, let's be sure I get these on there. 6 and 5, I'm going to push this. I'm getting that. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to come up here on the actual contacts themselves, and I'm going to push it. I'm pushing it. Okay. So at that point, based on the way that all these contacts should have worked when they were being activated or unactivated, you should have enough information to tell me what is wrong with this circuit.